Wave versus QuickBooks versus Xero. Let's start with Wave. Wave is a cloud-based accounting software designed for freelancers, solopreneurs, and very small businesses. It offers free core accounting tools like invoicing, expense tracking, and bank syncing, with optional paid add-ons like the payroll. Now, QuickBooks, on the other hand, is one of the most widely used accounting platforms for small to mid-sized businesses. It provides comprehensive bookkeeping features, including advanced reporting, invoicing and reconciliation, inventory tools and payrolls, and many more. Then we have here Xero. Xero is a cloud accounting solution known for strong core accounting features, a modern UI, unlimited users on all plans, extensive third-party integrations, and robust reporting. It's positioned between Wave and QuickBooks in terms of capabilities and price. So let's talk about their pros and cons. So for Wave, it offers a free core accounting and invoicing plan, excellent for freelancers and startups. It also simple is very easy to use and has a minimal setup. However, it comes with some cons. It has a limited advanced features and it is less scalable for growing businesses. The support is also mostly email and chat only. There's no 24/7 customer and phone support. Now for QuickBooks, it offers the most comprehensive set of features like reporting, payrolls, inventory, and taxes. It has a large ecosystem with many integrations and add-ons. It also scales from basic to advanced business needs. However, for the cons, it is one of the most expensive options. Many users and features require higher tiers or add-ons. It can also have a steep learning curve for beginners, and users limits on the lower plans as well. Then we have Xero. Xero offers a strong core accounting with unlimited users on all plans. It is also clean, modern interface, and very smooth. It offers excellent bank reconciliation and reporting tools. However, there are some cons still. The pricier than Hover and Wave, so it could be expensive and there's no free plan. There are also some limitations on the cheapest tier, and there are some slight learning curve for absolute beginners. So overall, the best budget-friendly could be Wave. It is unbeatable if you want a free or ultra-cheap accounting software. And the best for growing small businesses is Xero. It is balanced between price and features. And then the best for feature-rich and scalable needs is QuickBooks. It is the most powerful overall, especially for business needing payrolls. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification